Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of cartoons and how to draw books. So I'm going to show you today, here's a basic construction, kind of like a guitar pick. How to draw, a trick for drawing eyes, female eyes, that most people don't use. And I think it's a good look. You might want to try it. Here's an upturned nose. Instead of just drawing the eyes flat on the eye line here, we're going to tilt them. We're going to tilt them so you see this, the edge of the eyes is higher than the tear duct. And we're going to repeat that on this side too. There's a little bit of a glamorous look here. I'm going to darken it once I've got it. So I'm going to tuck these eyes into the corner. And this one as well, way deep into the corner. A little bit of eyelashes up here. Always brush them in a direction, than just sticking out like that. Unless it's a comedy, and this one isn't. This is kind of fun, but it's not a comedy character. All right, now I'm going to darken this upper eyelid, always darker than the lower eyelid. That's sort of I think a law of the universe. Newton came up with that one. Great cartoonist. And let's see here, and flatten the bottom a little bit. Also, generally what you do, there are exceptions, but that's generally what you do. Let's darken this guy in. And same thing here. And so it's not flat on the face, just give a little bit of an eyelid crease. And you can shade it a little if you like, or not, just a little bit. That's all it takes. I'm going to thicken the last eyelash. Now for the mouth, just a little curl of a smile. First I start with this, just a plain horizontal line and a little bit of curl. Thick upper lip and a little recessed lower lip. Now the chin is now looking a little too recessed. I will give it a little bit of an adjustment. Yeah, that's working. You just adjust it as you go, and a lot of people try to keep this original shape through the whole thing, but you can't because the jaw goes up like this. So you really can't do it. So give up, give up. Here you go. And let's see, let's give her kind of a short haircut. That'd be kind of nice. Brush it away, off the side, give a little more mass here. And we will bring this in. That's the orbit of the eye, this thing right here. This goes in a little bit concave and then back out. That's why the cheek looks like it's going out. It's really because this part of the eye is going in. A little errant line here too. And this is over here, the center line, so that becomes the part. So we'll make it come up like this. And we'll give her an earring popping out here. I'll make this go up a little bit more. And how about just, I'll do this, a little bit of shading here. And darken this, like so. And we'll make this dark also. Kind of repeat the eyes. Okay, so there's a quick lesson. I'm bringing those eyes up. Gives a little bit more liveliness. Oh, we forgot the eyebrows. Oh my gosh. I like nice long eyebrows. It kind of emphasizes them. See, it brings out more personality. All right, listen. Thank you for showing up. And oh, by the way, this is the book that I was showing. The Master Guide to Drawing Cartoons. Thanks for showing up. Bye-bye.